Hi, today I'm gonna check out the UR65 that just came out, brushless micro. So this is the standard version and it's for FrSky receiver. So let's open the box and see what's inside. So the box looks pretty much the same as the one that comes with the Snapper 6. Let's take out this guy. I'll check out in a minute. And let's see what else comes in the box. So we got the usual spare props, rubber band, prop removal, but we also get this tiny screw, which is good. Then we get this nice LiPo charger that has all the inputs that you would expect. As you can see, this one has, you can switch between 0.2 amps and 0.6 amps, and then you can charge up to 4.35 or regular 4.2. As you can see, I have others. They're pretty much identical. I have a lot of LiPo, so the more the better. I'm expecting to be exactly the same. And then it comes with these three 250 milliamps high volts URUAV branded with PH2 connector LiPo. Again, same as the Snapper 6, you can see that you can bind D60 mode and D8 mode. And here is the micro itself. Looks really nice. I like the combination of white and red. The board, the flight controller is exactly the same that it's on the Snapper 6. It's basically the same quad. I believe, there we go, this is the Snapper 6 for comparison. I believe that the only difference are the, well, obviously the plastic frame, and the motors are, on the UR65 are 1700 kV, while on the Snapper 6 are 1900, so slightly less powerful, but you should get a little bit more flight time. And so let's check out the weight. So the Snapper 6 is 24 grams and without the battery, and the UR65 is 21 grams. So it's 3 grams lighter, probably because of the plastic frame. So let's go to Betaflight, and I'm gonna show you real quick just what I changed. I didn't really change much, so hit connect. Let's see, that's connected. Okay, so enable expert mode. From the port, nothing changes here. Configuration, the only thing I changed here is the I turn off motor stop, and then I changed the throttle percentage to 10. The default I believe is 4.5, but with 4.5 basically when I arm the motor, the motor basically don't spin, so I change it to 10. And let me see what else. I don't think I changed anything else here. I will probably change the FrSky X to FrSky D because of the bind in D16 causes twitches. I haven't done that yet, but I'll do that later. So what else did I change? Oh yeah, the minimum battery voltage I set it to 2.1, and then 4.4 as max. Nothing here. Failsafe, drop as default. So the PIDs, I kept the PIDs as default. I only changed the rates to the one that I use every quad. And the filter, everything is default. Didn't touch anything. Nothing here. I've just added on the aux 2 the other horizon mode, so I have the 3 modes on the 3 position switch, and that's pretty much it. This is the OSD that I use. That's it. So let's go out and try it. Okay, I'm here to test the UR65. I'm gonna try fly here in this empty parking lot, and I want to see how it performs compared to the Snapper 6 that I tried last week. And I'm also going to try the batteries that it comes with, as well as one of my 260 milliamps HV. So let's see how it goes. I'm a little bit concerned because this pigtail here is very short. I'm not sure if I will be able to plug this battery, but I'm gonna try. So let's see. Okay, it flew really well. I'm very happy with it. It flies even better in my opinion than the Snapper 6, probably because it's lighter. It was very flowy, so I'm pretty happy with it. The only downside is, yet again, I tried to bind it in D16, but I get the usual twitches, so I'm gonna have to work on it and rebind it in D8 to get rid of those. But yeah, it flies really well, so definitely I will recommend you to get one. So see you next time.